Welcome friends, welcome my channel. Today we'll discuss about the important things every day life we are facing the one kind of problem like when Windows is booting is taking so much time. Today's video I will show you how we solve the issue. So let's start. Uh, from the start menu we can go the control panel, or we can go to the all setting button in the right bottom side. After that, when I enter the control panel, here I search startup apps. After that, here we see so many apps that are running in the startup time. That's mean this type of apps is running when the Windows is booting. That's why if we say if they type some software or apps is heavy, that's mean that is take so much RAM or CPU. That's why your Windows is booting slowly and it is take time. So we have to categorize the which type of apps will start up type, or if unnecessary software here is the startup in the startup time, start in the startup time, we can disable or off here. That's all the video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new video. Thank you very much.